Hey everybody, your Friendly Math Tutor here with an introduction to a series that we're going to be putting out. It's going to be a series of 9 videos breaking down our SAT one sheet. So it's basically just a cheat sheet for the SAT. When you print it out, it's front and back of one sheet of paper, and it has a lot of different material on it that's basically a review of everything that you would need to know for the SAT. And what I want to do is turn that in. So that PDF file, you could just link. It's linked below. So if you want to download it and use it to help you solve SAT problems, it's got a lot of like formulas and tips and like basically a review of everything that's on the SAT. And what I want to do in this video, just explain how this series is going to work. So I'm going to make 9 videos after this that are going to really break down this one sheet as something that you can use to review for any upcoming SAT that you're going to take. All right, so let's take a look at that one sheet. So make sure you download it and you can kind of follow along. Okay, so here we go. So the one sheet is broken down into 4 main parts. So the first part is strategies. And then the strategies are broken down into 3 strategies. So plug in the answer choices, pick your own values, and skimming the text. In this one, I'm going to make one video, and I'm going to go over each strategy and then do 2 practice problems for that strategy. So there's going to be 6 total problems. Then part 2 is common problem types. So I made 6 common problem types. So again, you can kind of look through this. I'm going to make video number 2 on the first half of this. So linear functions, quadratic functions, and linear systems. And I'm going to do, again, a bunch of practice problems related to each little concept that's in here. So you'll get to see, kind of how to use these concepts in specific SAT problems. Video 3 is going to go over the second 3 concepts here in common problem types. So percents, general graphing, and statistics. So that'll be video 3. Then we move to the back of the one sheet. So part 3 is the important concepts. So we got polynomials and complex numbers. That'll make up video number 4 in the series. And again, I'll do a bunch of practice SAT problems related to these specific concepts within polynomials and complex numbers. And then video 5 will be the other 2 important concepts. It'll be basic geometry and exponentials and radicals. And finally, our part 4 is all about the formulas that you need to know for the SAT. So in the left column here, we have given on the reference sheet. These are the formulas that they give you. So what I'm going to do here is there will be 2 videos here. It'll be video 6 and video 7 that will go through example problems related to each of these formulas that they give you on the reference sheet. So it's important, even though they give them to you, for you to know how to use the formulas, and then from there how to apply them. And finally, videos 8 and 9 are going to go over this right column of formulas, which I wrote as good to know. So they're really helpful if you know these for the SAT. They won't be given. You should memorize them. And that's I'll go through 2 videos where I'll go through a bunch of example problems going through, vertex of a quadratic all the way to a bunch of right triangle trigonometry and some of the interior angles of a polygon. All right. So that'll be pretty much what I'll do. So check out, there's going to be 9 videos. Each video, I will link the PDF file to the actual one sheet for you to download for any of the videos. And more importantly, for each of those videos, I will have a PDF of the actual problems that I will do that'll be related to the section of the one sheet that I'll be covering in that video. All right, so hope this helps, and check out those 9 videos.